Hey, Matt here with 911R. We have this 2018 GT2 RS Weissach package that's going to be ending here soon. So I just want to do a walk around and kind of talk about the car. The car has full PPF and has also been ceramic coated, so the paint and everything's been really nicely protected. You can just kind of cruise around the front. You can see the front lip all looks really nice and good. There's no rock chips or damage that we can see anything. It's got the magnesium Weissach wheels, which were very special to these cars. That was quite a big deal, and they were hard to get. Coming around, you get the carbon fiber roof. In the interior, you have the silver seat belts. Of course, lots and lots of carbon fiber everywhere on the inside. These cars are all built very lightweight with the sport. This one has the sport proper seats. This has an aftermarket phone mount on it there, but that does come off really easily. Again, coming around the sides, you can see it's all very nice and clean. The wing is in good shape, no issues. Coming around the back, stock exhaust tips, everything's stock on the car. Coming around, I'll open up the engine cover, even though there's really nothing to see, but might as well see it. Again, lots of carbon fiber, cool bits and stuff inside. Forged little strengthener piece in there. Tone matched rings on the little cooling fans. But coming around, you can just see the car is very, very clean, very well cared for. Lots of pictures. We did lots of photography on the underside of this car. One thing that I thought was really cool in this car, it has carbon fiber sway bars. I don't know any other car that has that. Any questions, let me know. If you need a shipping quote, I'm happy to help out. Or if you're interested in 911R selling a car for you, use the contact seller button. Happy to help you out. Thank you very much.